You don't want to put that in your bed with you. And we'll need to take your headband off too.
Right.
Do you know what your shirt says?
I don't know.
You want me to tell you? Turn around so I can see it. It says, "You make me so happy." With a watermelon face in the middle. That's pretty funny. And you have watermelon on your pants too. Did you see that?
That means they go together.
Yep, they sure do. Okay, what's today? May 27th. All right, night night, Rachel.